Coming to my third pattern, this is my expectation. So if this is my output screen, I want stars to be printed next to each other like this. So what we can do is, first we will now try to print a single star. We all know to print a single star, I can write the statement system dot out dot print, or you can use println, but in my case if you closely watch, I now want to print these stars one beside the other. So hence I will not use println, rather I will now use print, and I will now tell a star. Now think and tell me, if I now execute this statement, how many stars will be printed? Of course I will only be getting a single star. But in my case, I now want 5 stars next to each other. So I just have to repeat this statement. If I have to repeat the statement, I need not copy paste or write the same coding again and again. I will now enclose this within a for loop. This for loop should run how many times? It should now run 5 times. So I'll now begin from 1. So I will tell int I is equals to 1. Please go till 5, and every step you increment by 1. This is what I will now tell. So this statement will now be repeated 5 times, and since I have used only print, not println, so the stars will now be printed next to each other. Whether really it will work or not, let's check it out.